Hello everyone, welcome to my class to continue with the second chapter, that is Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Today I'll be discussing an important topic, that is Bloody Sunday. This is important from exam point of view. So listen it carefully. This incident marked the beginning of a series of revolutions in Russia. Right? So what this incident is all about? Let's discuss that. Year 1904 was an year when the people in Russia, they faced a very hard time, right? Um, how? We'll discuss it. At that time, the Social Democrats and Socialist Revolutionaries, they wanted to create a constitution supported by nationalist and jihadist. अब इस लाइन में बहुत से वर्ड्स ऐसे हैं, इसीलिए आपको पहले ही इन वर्ड्स के मीनिंग्स बताएं. सोशल डेमोक्रेट्स वो जो पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट में बिलीव करते थे. सोशल रेवोल्यूशनरीज वो जो चेंज लाना चाहते थे सोसाइटी में, जार को हटाना चाहते थे, रूलर को हटाना चाहते थे और जनता के हाथ में पावर देना चाहते थे. दे वॉन्टेड टू क्रिएट अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. वो चाहते थे कि रूलर हटना चाहिए और एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनना चाहिए. इस आइडियोलॉजी में, इनके स्ट्रगल में नेशनलिस्ट जो थे, नेशनलिस्ट अगेन जो नेशन को एकजुट करना चाहते थे, यूनाइटेड रखना चाहते थे. नेशनलिस्ट और जेडिडिस्ट वो होते हैं a group in Russia, Muslim group in Russia who wanted to bring reforms in Islam. So they also supported them. These were the groups who wanted to overthrow the Tsar, and they want Russia to be under a constitution. So they were struggling for that. In this year 1904, people were facing a tough time, especially the workers, because they were working for long hours and their wages were quite less. So they were not able to meet their basic needs. There was increasing of prices of all essential goods, and there was a decline in their wages around 20%. सो महंगाई बढ़ रही थी और आमदनी घट रही थी. जो जितना भी इनकम था वो महंगाई को मैच नहीं कर पाती थी. तो दे वर फेसिंग अ रियली टफ टाइम इन दिस ईयर. देयर वाज एन एंगर अमंग वर्कर्स. सॉरी. 1905, इस गुस्से का जो गुस्सा वो पाले हुए थे, प्लस यहाँ पे ये ग्रुप्स जो थे वो भी चेंज की बात कर रहे थे. ये सारी चीज़ें जो है मिल गई एक तरफ से. 1905 में an incident took place which is called the Bloody Sunday in Russian history. Now what happened actually, on a Sunday day, large number of workers with their families, they, under the leadership of Father Gapon, they surrounded the Winter Palace at St. Petersburg of Tsar, and they wanted to give one petition to the वर्कर्स पिटीशन टू द रूलर. अपनी कुछ मांगे जो रूलर है जार निकोलस II उसके सामने रखना चाहते थे, राइट. बट व्हाट हैपेंड, दिस इंस्टेड ऑफ लिसनिंग टू द people, what happened, the ruler gave an order of open firing on the crowd, and this resulted into killing of around 100 workers in this incident, and 300 were wounded, injured, right. So this episode is called Bloody Sunday. This incident took place on a Sunday day, so it is known by this name, Bloody Sunday, right. This incident led to a beginning of a series of such revolutions taking place in different regions of Russia. बहुत बड़ी नेशन है. अलग अलग रीजन में लोगों ने अब विद्रोह करना शुरू किया राजा के खिलाफ. आई हैव टोल्ड यू द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द टेरिटरीज ऑफ रशियन एम्पायर. अर्लियर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस. सो व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट ऑफ this incident called the Bloody Sunday? There were strikes took place at many places in Russia. Universities were closed down. Students opposed this action of the ruler because somewhere they felt that their civic liberties are in danger, right. Even means the students believed that common people can't keep their demands in front of the ruler. This incident shows this thing. So they boycotted the universities. Middle class workers established unions. Middle class workers like doctors, engineers, teachers, the educated section, they established their unions. Forming union was not allowed earlier. Tsar allowed formation of Duma. So after seeing this disturbance in the nation, Tsar he allowed to form a Duma. Duma is a consultative parliament. रशियन पार्लियामेंट को ड्यूमा कहा जाता है, हमारे यहाँ संसद कहा जाता है, उनके यहाँ ड्यूमा कहा जाता है. तो ड्यूमा फॉर्म करने की इजाज़त दी किंग ने. Then large trade unions were formed and factory communities were formed where people actually discuss their problems, try to sort out their problems, especially the workers. So trade unions and factory communities were formed. Now this was the immediate reaction. जैसे जो ये रेवोल्यूशन थोड़ा ठंडा पड़ने लगा, what happened after 1905? Factory communities declared illegal and severe restrictions were imposed on political activities by the ruler. He didn't allow any type of political activities further. So the parties were banned and factory communities that were formed for the workers were declared illegal. He also dismissed the Duma within 75 days. First Duma was dismissed by the ruler Tsar within 75 days. And after 3 months, second Duma was formed. But this second Duma, the second parliament also failed. It kept on working for a very short period of time. It was also dismissed by the Tsar. And then the third Duma was formed. Another parliament was formed, and Tsar made it sure that the parliament should be composed of more conservatives, because the conservatives doesn't wanted to change the ruler. They believed in this old traditions कि राजा ही रूल करेगा देश को, पार्लियामेंट इस टाइप के जो वो चेंजेस में बिलीव नहीं करते थे. तो किंग ensured that most of the members in the Duma should be of conservatives, not the nationalists and not the liberals. Right? So this is how he reacted to the things that were happening in Russia. But this led to the beginning of a series of revolution in Russia, and its culmination point came when Russia involved itself into the First World War. And what all happened, that we'll discuss in the upcoming videos. Please like, share and review, write your comments. The things are quite complicated because so many names, so many ideologies you need to remember, but I'm sure if you watch the video regularly and going through these points, make your notes, so that you'll be understanding the things in a better way. But still, if you find any problem, do mention it in the comment section, and wait for the next video. Please like, share and review and subscribe the channel. Thank you.